Hey, what's up guys, this is Anukiran Ghosh back again with another video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can modify Android apps or APK files. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to download and install these softwares on your computer. You need to install Java, Microsoft.NET and Apk Easy Tool. Now let's move on to the tutorial. Open Apk Easy Tool, then drag and drop the app or APK file to the APK tool. You can download APK files from APK Pure website. Then drag and drop the app or APK file to the APK tool and click on Decompile. It will take some time to complete the decompilation process. After the APK file gets decompiled, you can click on the decompiled APK directory to read and edit the source code of the APK file with any text editor software. Basically, it is stored inside the Documents folder under the Apk Easy Tool folder. So now you can read the source code of the APK file once the APK gets decompiled using any text editor software or Android Studio. You can also compile it using Android Studio, but you can better do it with Apk Easy Tool because it is much easier process and it does not take much time. After modifying the app, you can click on compile option present in the APK editor tool and get the modified APK in the recompiled APK folder. So this was all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe my channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.